देखो, आधे घंटे की बकचोदी है।
हर 2 हफ्ते में आती है।
तो ये जो नीचे सब्सक्राइब बटन दिख रहा है ना, ठोक दो।
ये सारे लॉन्डे यूजलेस है, प्रॉब्लम तो यही है।
बट व्हेन आई एम आस्क्ड कि तुम्हें खाना बनाना आता है, इट्स लाइक कि क्या रोटी बनाने वाली थोड़ा चाहिए तुम्हें यार। इन फैक्ट दैट हैज एक्चुअली हैपेंड विद मी व्हेन द गाय हैज आस्क्ड मी कि मेरे को ना नॉन वेज नहीं बनाना आता, मतलब मेरी मम्मी को भी नहीं आता, आपको आता है?
There was a point when my dad came to me and he's like, बेटा तुम थोड़े ज्यादा पढ़ लिए, लड़के नहीं बच्चे। And I'm like, पापा आपने पढ़ाया था।
So आज ही लाइक मेरे पापा मेरे पास आए और बोले कि बेटा ये देखो, ये लड़का है एकदम सीधा सादा और इंजीनियर है, तो मतलब यू नो लाइक अच्छा ये देख लो, मैंने इसको प्रॉमिस किया है कि मेरी अगर बेटी को पसंद आएगा तो मैं आपके नंबर एक्सचेंज करूंगा। एंड एनीवेज मुझे इनर चाइल्ड चाहिए, लेकिन मेरे को बच्चा एग्जैक्टली ऊपर एक्सटर्नल बच्चा नहीं चाहिए ना, दिमाग से बच्चा हो कि
मतलब बच्चा थोड़ी
प्रोजेक्ट कर जाए मेरे लिए। या इट शुड नॉट बी लाइक अ प्रोजेक्ट फॉर मी। मैं भी, मेरा भी तो इनर चाइल्ड है।
भाई, माँ बाप बोलने शादी कर लो, उम्र हो चली तुम्हारी, 30 साल के होने लगे। तो बताओ ये क्या है, ये जीवन साथी और ये शादी.com का सीन क्या चल रहा है यहाँ?
भाई सही तो कह रहे हैं माँ बाप, शादी कर ले, उम्र हो रही है। भाई एप्स होती हैं, शादी.com, भारत मैट्रिमोनी, सिख मैट्रिमोनी भी होती है, मैंने सब डाउनलोड कर रखा है, सेट है मामला।
तूने सब कर लिया? तो मैं ही पीछे रह गया, दैट मींस। तो बताओ यार क्या चल रहा है, क्या बातें हो रही, क्या चाह रही लड़कियां?
भाई बातें सही चल रही हैं, बट लड़कियां चाहती क्या है ये नहीं समझ आ रहा।
अरे भाई, वो चाहती क्या है ये तो किसी को समझ नहीं आता, ये तो भगवान भी नहीं जानता।
हाँ तो फिर उन्हीं से पूछ लेते हैं क्या चाहती है।
So welcome to the Dip and Ponder, guys. Today we have two guests with us, or rather I should say two Kavari Kanyas. Yeah. So one is Neha. She works for the government. She helps bring foreign direct investment in India. The other is Saloni. She works in public policy. So you can say kind of like pseudo Neera Radia. So welcome to the podcast, guys. Yeah. Welcome to the podcast, guys. Sure. So here is an interesting thing to begin with. Like, I'm sure you would have a lot of experiences on dating in matrimonial websites. What has been your worst experience till date? So let's begin. Yeah, let's begin with Saloni then.
Yeah, so I've had many worst experiences, and शायद that's why शायद तभी मैं आप लोग के बीच बैठी हूँ। And yeah, I mean like I was also discussing with Prajit earlier that one man's tragedy is another man's comedy.
So, of course, our tragedy is a comedy right now.
Exactly. But one experience that I would definitely want to share, and that became my worst experience till date, is that I had to meet this guy in Starbucks CP, and 5 minutes into our conversation, the first thing he tells me is that let me tell you, I will only stay with my parents. So he was like this teacher, जो आपको पहले board exam से पहले बता देते हैं कि okay, these are the instructions.
Right.
And I had my hot coffee with me, and I was not very comfortable because I'm pretty like I take time to open up. So it was so awkward that time that suddenly I think I got very nervous or something, and I spilled the coffee on myself. Ouch. And I was very distressed. And वो बहुत गर्म coffee थी, तो it just like spilled over me. So I kind of then I rushed into the washroom. And there I was literally praying कि यार ये मैं जैसे बाहर जाऊँ ये बंदा हो ही ना वहाँ पे, like I was literally praying कि बंदा निकल जाए and all that.
You should have just ran away from the wash.
Actually I wish, but यहाँ पे वो बहुत फिल्मी हो जाता, but वो Starbucks का washroom wasn't like that. But I took my time. I was taking my time, and I had to take my time because obviously it was very embarrassing also. यार कहाँ किसके साथ कौन सी डेट पे ऐसे होता है. So then, and I was pretty much embarrassed when I came back also. And then also he didn't like put me at ease or something. He just started off like that banda was on a mission or something. Right. And he started off कि अच्छा आप काम की बात करते हैं. So that time I realized कि there's no empathy out there, and there is nothing I can see
Right.
he's actually interested also. He is on a mission to just get married and take
चेकलिस्ट
me
लेके
to
आया
his
था.
parents, I guess. जहाँ पे हम साथ में रहे, हम साथ है types.
I think
So
उसको
yeah,
अपने
and
I think उसको अपने घर वालों के लिए बहू चाहिए थी more than
Basically, like 90% Indian men, by the way. No offense. But Saloni,
Oh,
that's everyone's problem, right? I think all men
that
first 2 days
is,
ये बोलते
you
हैं.
are all, yes, that is, but then you have to be like, I mean,
Natural.
थोड़ा आप इंसानियत तो दिखा लो. You're at the end of the day on a date.
90% ज्यादा
So
नहीं हो
yeah,
गया
but
नेहा?
then
90% of the men.
85 उससे नीचे तो definitely नहीं.
Thanks for the concession.
It's okay. I मतलब I'll be happy to be in the 15%. मैं उसमें खुशी ले लूँगा.
I was gonna say Prab is in that 85%, but चलो ठीक है.
वालिया का एक पैर 85 में, एक पैर
वाले
15
से
में.
क्या? अब
Firstly,
यही
मैं
प्रॉब्लम यही है. वो एक ही में आना पड़ेगा दोनों पाओ अल्टीमेटली.
पर्सनली मैं 15% में हूँ, लेकिन 85 मुझ पे हावी है.
वो सबका
तेरा
ही है,
पैकेज
सब लोग
85 में है.
वो सबका ही रहता है कि पर्सनली लोग 15 में होते हैं, बट
मम्मा पापा 85 में घुसा देते हैं.
घुसा देते हैं यार.
So I haven't had a lot of experiences on matrimonial sites. I mean, not a number of experiences, but there's one experience which was definitely maybe not the worst, but probably the funniest experience that I've had. So there was a guy. एक हफ्ते तक मेरी बात हुई होगी उससे, like 1 week, 1.5 weeks, and he was a good-looking guy and he was very charming, seemed charming. Texting
Right.
पे तो अब कितना ही पता चलेगा. So I was like, he's like, let's meet. I was like, yeah, cool, let's meet. I was very excited. I was meeting him in Cyber Hub for drinks. So I went there and I was excited and I went. And in 5 minutes of meeting him, I realized that, no offense to anyone, but bro, definitely he's gay. Maybe he doesn't know it, but for sure. And I was just like, अब मैं क्या करूँ? ये शादी करने आया है मुझसे यहाँ पे, like what is the
Right.
situation? So I thought, should I like just leave or should I just have fun? Let's see.
Yeah.
So I was like, ठीक है चलो bed की बातें कर लेते हैं. So we sat together. मतलब he in retrospect he could have been a great gay friend that I had for sure, but obviously that was not his intention. So 2 घंटे तक हम बैठे थे, बातें करी. Then we left. कार में he tried holding my hand also, so gutsy for some
Oh,
reason, and I was
very
just like,
forward.
bro, yeah, I think ये क्या हो रहा है? उसके बाद next day I ghosted him obviously. I was just like, it was a great night, haha, cool, and then I never spoke to him. But it was a very fun experience. And उसके बाद से I realized I should like talk on phone or like meet people sooner to figure out who they actually are.
Video calls before you
Video
meet.
calls.
Thinking-
Now video calls
Yeah.
more than ever.
Yeah, so I guess that is what has happened in COVID-19, that you can have video
Yeah.
call, you can have phone calls, and then maybe you can decide to meet whether you want to meet or not. But this is what is
Yeah.
happening, and I guess that is a good thing because it gives you more time to think over and just generally. And your parents are also pretty calm. ऐसे नहीं होते हैं कि जाओ मिलाओ and all that, because they
Yeah.
know stepping out isn't the right thing. So I guess a good thing about
Yeah.
COVID-19.
Isn't it weird? Like some people find it weird to come on a video call, right? Like or especially for your
find it-
first meeting.
I find it very
Yes,
weird.
yes.
Saloni, have you done this?
I also find it very weird. I've done it once,
You have?
and that was also because both the sets of parents were a bit,
Too excited.
pushy about it.
Yeah.
I don't think I would. That's why I said pushy.
Oh.
But even he wasn't very comfortable. And after that, I've made it a point that it has to be like us saying us being okay with it and not our parents. So yeah, though you want to have to rebel also in such cases, but
Right.
yeah.
But I guess
Right.
it gets comfortable after a few video calls. Like I personally feel that it's much more comfortable once, like 1, 2, 3 times, it becomes very comfortable.
मतलब उन 1, 2, 3 times में you need to like the person also, na?
You should like the person as well.
Yeah.
And that's not happened yet, so yeah.
Yeah.
But still
I
the best.
haven't had. Yeah, I haven't had any
Yeah.
video call experience.
I haven't also, like just once, but it wasn't that you could take it to a second or a third video call.
एक ही में. Oh, network issue. Bye.
Kind of, you could say, yeah.
I think that's a great way to end the date at least. वहाँ पे
Totally,
तुम डेट में अकेले
totally.
तो नहीं जा सकते.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, so easy.
Silver linings.
तो जब तुम्हारे पास रिश्ता आता है, आई डोंट नो, मैट्रिमोनियल अखबार से या ऐप से या किसी फ्रेंड के थ्रू, तो व्हाट डू यू लुक फॉर, लाइक व्हाट आर योर टॉप प्रायोरिटीज?
So सबसे पहली बात दिलबाग, हमें फ्रेंड्स के थ्रू तो रिश्ते आ नहीं रहे हैं. सलोनी, please conquer about this. No friends
फैमिली
are sending us
फ्रेंड्स,
any risk.
नॉट योर
Family friends, oh family friends, भी not too much.
या
और of course biodata के दिन खत्म हो गए हैं from at least what I know.
वेल द
Okay, so
मैचमेकिंग शो हैड अ
biodata.
लॉट ऑफ बायोडेटा, सो आई डोंट नो.
Yeah, surprisingly, I think that's a different category of people. हमें
अखबार में
मुझे
होते यार,
भी
न्यूज़पेपर.
अखबार में आते हैं, but personally I've only used websites and apps. So in terms of, I think what I look for first in a profile जब रिश्ता आता है, of course चाहते ना चाहते हुए तुम्हारे दिमाग में शक्ल ही दिखती है सबसे पहले.
अगर
So that is
कुछ और बोला होता मैं कहता झूठ.
सच्ची. अरे how is this false? This is true.
No, I am saying अगर कुछ और बोला होता तो.
अच्छा, तो तब ये तो बात सच है. So सबसे पहले शक्ल दिखती है, because that's literally 70% of the screen. So you see the शक्ल.
राइट.
And शक्ल में, mind you, you don't look at the face का handsomeness, you look at the personality. अगर एक
Yeah,
लड़का
yeah.
मेरा सेल्फी खींच रहा है या
Right.
फिर एक लड़का थोड़े weird से तरीके से खड़ा है, रिजेक्ट.
Yeah,
No,
yeah. No
not
sexy
happening.
boy vibes.
I hate men
Yeah,
with
sexy boy.
selfies. I
You're
hate
so
men with
weird.
selfies. And then they wear such weird sunglasses, यार. मतलब क्यों
हाँ,
पहन
oh
रहे
my
हो? मतलब
That's
I will tell you, there was this one, I mean a lot of guys, not just one, but there are a lot of guys, like एक picture में they'll be like, okay, एक तो दूर से पिक्चर होगी और बाकी 6
पता भी
पिक्चर
नहीं
एकदम
चलेगा.
चश्मा, काले चश्मे पहने हुए हैं. भैया क्या है, कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा बंदा
I-
कैसे दिखता है, क्या दिखता है.
I
I-
think
I-
चश्मों में फेस स्ट्रक्चर छुप जाता है, इसलिए लोग पहनते हैं. Yeah.
Yeah, and
Exactly,
on the selfie
exactly.
point, I think for guys, not to defend them, but I think not a lot of guys
photo नहीं
want
खींचता.
like, हाँ कोई फोटो नहीं खींचता है, they don't go for like मेरी सोलो फोटो खींच लो. So probably because of that.
So
Maybe-
I'll tell you one thing. I have had decent pictures also. I mean, I have seen decent pictures also, and there the guys are like with their friends, or
Exactly,
pictures that have been
exactly.
clicked by their friends. Generally, it's a natural thing, or they're on a holiday or something like that. वो better
Yeah.
रहता है. You're not seeing, but selfie भी ना ऐसे generally, and I really don't know. There are sometimes it's so weird that their account is being handled by their parents. So why are parents allowing? कि क्यों भाई ऐसे picture, मतलब मेरे पापा खुद मुझे बोलते बेटा ये ऐसे पिक्चर आनी चाहिए ऐसे, उनके पेरेंट्स क्यों नहीं बोल रहे?
I mean, I don't think parents are experts on selfies. So
Indian parents के लिए उनका बेटा उनका चिराग है. He looks good the
राजा
way he
बेटा.
is.
Yeah.
राजा बेटा.
plus
For sure.
I think guys don't know कि उनकी कौन सी प्रोफाइल अच्छी है या खराब है. So
I
they
agree.
just, yeah.
Guys have no aesthetic
And-
sense.
And I guess it's always been a girl thing कि आपकी शक्ल अच्छी दिखनी चाहिए, and guys का later भैया लड़की अच्छी होनी चाहिए दिखने में. So वो
Yeah.
कभी ध्यान नहीं जाता कि पेरेंट्स का भी ध्यान नहीं जाता कि हम एक बार देख ले हम क्या अपलोड कर रहे हैं, अपने बेटे की कौन सी फोटो अपलोड कर रहे हैं.
अपने
I think
अपने
also,
चिराग का
yeah.
बूथा तो देख लो.
नहीं, उनको लगता होगा कि भैया चश्मा ही लगा लिया है तो बहुत ही सही आगे तरक्की कर ली है बेटे ने. आई एम श्योर
हाँ, हमारा बेटा सबसे स्मार्ट.
उसमें भी प्राइड होगी कि यार काला चश्मा पहना है और खुद सेल्फी ले लिया है, मतलब मॉडर्न बच्चा बन गया. तो यार
I think what Saloni said is correct कि अगर एक बंदे की photos ना भी हो, if he has photos with his friends when he's traveling, natural photos, that's 10 times better than a mirror selfie that you put on any of
Okay.
these apps.
Noted.
For sure.
So Neha के लिए it's the face with the personality. What about you,
Yeah,
Saloni?
but
Yeah,
okay,
sorry.
Saloni पहले you continue.
I think मेरा भी same है, face. I see the first thing, because what do you see? Even if you meet a person meet somebody in person also, generally you see how he looks and all that. So, and personality, definitely. So for me
Personality,
also,
yeah.
personality as in the way he's talking, and but that is like just,
Standing.
I'm just talking about general. But if you talk about matrimonial websites, then definitely it's the face, and yeah, face for me.
But you know,
I mean,
after
the
that,
looks.
the looks, but there's a very big caveat कि तुम looks के जब नीचे जाते हो और उसकी education आती है, at least मतलब very huge majority of good looking guys are only engineers. एंड मतलब बेसिकली क्वालिफिकेशन मैच नहीं करेगी, सैलरी मैच नहीं करेगी, वो गुड लुकिंग लोग बस वो ऐसे गुड लुकिंग ही रह गए, तो वो चले जाते हैं, हट जाते हैं पूरे के
see.
पूरे क्राइटेरिया से। तो
सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियर्स तो इतने भरे हुए हैं
सॉफ्टवेयर
कि बस पूछो
इंजीनियर्स,
मत।
आईटी
तो आई
इंजीनियर्स,
थिंक पूरे इंडिया का एक दिक्कत है एक्चुअली।
पूरा देश उसी पे चल रहा है तो लड़के
Exactly.
वही।
जब हम
अनफॉर्चुनेटली
पहले
गुड
पहले हम
लुकिंग।
इंजीनियरिंग करते हैं, देन वी रियलाइज कि अब हमें लाइफ में करना क्या है।
एग्जैक्टली, प्रॉब्लम ही है। तो ऐसे छट जाते हैं और आधे से ज्यादा, क्योंकि अगर शक्ल मैच होगी उसके बाद तुम्हारी सैलरी, तुम्हारी एजुकेशन क्वालिफिकेशन नहीं मैच करेगी, क्योंकि तो नहीं, वो सब नहीं चल। तो मतलब वो उन दोनों के बीच में आई थिंक मैच ढूंढना बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है,
बैलेंस
which is the
ढूंढना,
worst thing to,
बैलेंस,
yeah,
राइट
which is the worst thing to find on any of the apps, I think.
राइट।
सो आज ही लाइक मेरे पापा मेरे पास आए और बोले कि बेटा ये देखो, ये लड़का है एकदम सीधा सादा और इंजीनियर है, तो मतलब यू नो लाइक अच्छा ये देख लो। मैंने इसको प्रॉमिस किया है कि मेरी अगर बेटी को पसंद
ओहो।
आएगा तो मैं आपके नंबर एक्सचेंज करूंगा। आई वाज लाइक
I
बेटी
think
तो
that's
हुई नहीं, मैं तो पढ़ाई हूँ ऑलरेडी, मतलब क्या है, किसके हो
वाह,
गए आप?
इंजीनियर्स तो
actually
करोड़ है
ऐसे
इंडिया में यार,
yeah,
सबसे थोड़ी शादी कर।
एंड मेरे पापा says the same thing. He's like, देखो लड़का कितना अच्छा है, कितना भोला है देखने में, कितना अच्छा है। ऐसे पापा, दैट इज द प्रॉब्लम, भोले लड़के से शादी क्यों करूंगी मैं? But parents do not understand this at all, for sure.
बट लुक्स का वेरी डिसेप्टिव। जो भोले होते हैं, भोले दिखते हैं, एक्चुअली भोले भी नहीं होते हैं। और जो
कमीने होते हैं
एनी या सो
I read a tweet recently कि being nice is a default setting, but लोग उसको अपनी पूरी personality बना लेते
oh, nice.
हैं। Yeah.
So what about the other factors like height, complexion, like age gap? 30 का होने वाला, थोड़ी validation चाहिए मुझे। ठीक है,
दिल पे लगी।
yeah.
So I think of course सारे क्राइटेरिया सेट है फुल, ऐसा नहीं है कोई भी आ जाओ चलेगा। ऑल फिल्टर्स आर फुली सेट। 4 to 5 years एज गैप, 4 to 5
Right.
पर अब चल जाता है। आई थिंक 30 में तुम्हें 25 की तो शायद हो जाए, बट ऑफ कोर्स सबके क्राइटेरियाज होते हैं, स्ट्रिक्ट नहीं होते।
Yeah.
कभी कोई कोई काफी स्ट्रिक्ट होते हैं, डिपेंड्स तुम्हारी सैलरी, हाइट, ऑफ कोर्स यू मैच अकॉर्डिंग टू योरसेल्फ।
Right.
बट आई थिंक काफी टाइम तुम्हें पता चलता है व्हाई यू आर इन द प्रोसेस, हाउ स्ट्रिक्ट योर क्राइटेरिया इज। मुझे जैसे लगता था माय क्राइटेरिया इज 3 years का एज गैप इज परफेक्ट, but during the process I realized maybe 4 to 5 years is also okay if the person is fine. So ये सारी चीजें I
Okay.
think धीरे धीरे you figure this shit out.
I think
But
3 years
obviously
is good.
filters are there.
I think 3 years is
Yeah.
good enough.
3 years is perfect, I guess.
Yeah.
So age gap मेरे लिए भी बहुत important है, and 3 years is the age gap, like you know the guy has to be older to me and all that. But you know what, I also get rishtas which are a year or two, I would say younger to me.
Nice.
Yeah.
So yeah, and that's like pretty. I think I feel good about it. Why I feel good about
कितनी
it?
खुश लग रही है।
Yeah. Ego boost हो जाता है अच्छा खासा.
So because you know, because obviously I'm like I've crossed 30, so you obviously feel good. So Prajit, you don't have to worry. I mean, you're still like, I still get a lot of rishtas, and I think they're normalizing. It's getting normalized above
Yeah.
30. Marriages
That's
are
good,
getting
yeah.
normalized
That's good,
also.
it is.
So yeah, and that's I think so it's pretty good for me. But age gap matters. 3 years is fine. 5 years भी चलता है, but the guy has to be like, yeah, उसकी maturity होनी भी चाहिए. Like sometimes what happens is that if a guy is 36 or 35, but उसका, I know I might sound very superficial, but उसका अगर pay package is just like between 15 or you know like 10 lakh, तो
Yeah.
then आपको लगता है कि यार उसमें potential क्या है फिर, like, और
Agreed,
and
agreed.
he's an engineer, so like you know वो match करना चाहिए, and so वो potential देखना बहुत important होता है.
Right, right. I think
I thought
mature.
Saloni.
Sorry.
Yeah, I thought Saloni is gonna say if he's 36 but he acts like he's 18, which is
Yeah,
also a factor.
I thought कि उसकी बात हो रही थी
Important.
personality की.
No, but I agree with
क्योंकि
that.
काफी लड़के ऐसे भी होते हैं, but yeah, pay packages definitely उम्र के हिसाब से तो होना चाहिए.
Yeah.
For sure.
Yeah, yeah.
But I think it's the
So
age पे depend करती नहीं है maturity, right? It could be just the phase of your life, right?
हाँ मतलब when I that was only on the pay package front, like you know you are 36
Right,
and you're
right.
an engineer, and so maybe you know, and you're not earning that great as, I mean, I don't know, that's the only word I'm for the lack of better word. But yes, age doesn't guarantee you maturity. There are guys who have been younger to me, but they are like more mature, and then there are guys who are older to me, but unki maturity is still like bad. In fact, they're so immature, like I said, they are still like into their mama, you can say
into
mama
the parents.
sissies.
Sissies. Boys से sissies कब हो गया?
Oops, slightly extreme but true.
Yeah,
बट
I
अगर
mean,
अगर
they're
अगर
still,
35 में अप्रोक्सीमेटली
Yeah,
बंदे में
that's true.
मेच्योरिटी नहीं आ रही तो
yeah,
भूल जाओ कभी मेच्योरिटी आने का चांस है नहीं.
yeah, I
That's
Right.
mean,
not
yes,
happening at all.
But isn't
yes.
it all about keeping your inner child alive? उसका क्या हुआ?
Oh yeah,
Yeah,
चंचल
that's
inner
also true.
child
चंचलता और
is,
मेच्योरिटी अलग होती है. इनर चाइल्ड
Okay,
हमें
okay.
भी
But
अलाइव है बहुत
but
ज्यादा.
but inner child should come out from the harder exterior,
yeah.
right? Like you have to peel it off, and then the child comes out.
Okay, sure.
But inner
Light
ये
shouldn't
child,
be always
I,
on.
एंड एनीवेज मुझे इनर चाइल्ड चाहिए, लेकिन मेरे को बच्चा एग्जैक्टली ऊपर एक्सटर्नल बच्चा नहीं चाहिए ना, दिमाग से बच्चा हो कि मैं
मतलब
वो
बच्चा थोड़ी
प्रोजेक्ट ही
पालना है
बन
हमें
जाए मेरे लिए.
ऑलरेडी.
या
oh
या इट शुड नॉट
True,
बी लाइक अ प्रोजेक्ट फॉर
true.
मी. मैं भी, मेरा
That
भी
has
तो इनर चाइल्ड है.
happened. That has happened with boyfriends already. Can't happen again.
right.
अच्छा,
या
मान लो तुम्हारे इस कड़े what do you call filter प्रमाणों को कोई पास कर गया, and then you actually go
Difficult.
ahead and meet that person, right? Yeah, difficult. मान लो कोई पास कर गया and you actually go and meet that person. Like what are the like first few questions? What are the sort of things that you ask? Because I guess that'll help our viewers also a lot.
Important questions
Saloni, you
or
want to
deal
go first?
breakers maybe.
Yeah.
So for me, I feel that the connection is very important. So मेरे लिए first deal breaker would be like, you know, I would see how he, for me, it's more like gestures, how he behaves with me, how he puts me at ease and all that, so that I can understand and where is he coming from. Is marriage important for him or not? Or is it just because his
Right.
parents are pushing into him? Like, I will just give you an incident where there was this guy and he said that I was just saying कि आपकी expectation, what are you expecting from it? तो मुझे बोल रहा है कि I want to get married because my father has told me that if you want to go to the US to work, then you'll have to marry first. तो मैंने बोला कि
Wow.
आपको क्या पासपोर्ट हूँ क्या मैं आपका?
10 points for honesty दो. बात ही बोल दिया
Yeah,
यूएस
I
से जाने के लिए
swear.
शादी करनी है.
तो
हाँ,
फिर
उल्टा
मुझे लगा
होता है,
कि
लोग
यार,
यूएस भेज के शादी करवाते हैं
Yeah.
कि वहां
I
की कोई
don't know,
लड़की मिल
maybe
जाएगी, पक्का हो जाएगा.
हाँ,
maybe
इंडिया की
they
लड़की
were
से
just
यूएस.
thinking, maybe they were just thinking कि at least इसकी शादी हो जाएगी or whatever. I mean, I don't know what were they
पेरेंट्स
exactly
भेज रहे
thinking.
होंगे पापा मम्मी यूएस.
पेरेंट्स है ना, कुछ भी सोच सकते हैं वैसे भी यार.
बट ये
Yeah.
मुझे कनेक्शन समझ नहीं आया. कनेक्शन होता क्या है कि कनेक्शन
Like
फील होना
connection के
चाहिए?
लिए how do you, so
यार,
one thing that she said is gestures. Like how do you
hmm.
establish the connection? There must be a few questions, right?
I think the right word is chemistry, not connection.
Hmm.
So, for instance, you can have connection with anybody. Like I can have connection with Prabhjeet, or I can have a connection with Dilbag, and
वो
but then I
दिलबाग
have
बड़ा
connection
सोच
with
के
my
बोला.
friends also.
Continue.
Yeah, yeah. तो but but the thing is कि connection तो मेरे friends के साथ भी मेरा है, जिनसे मैं अभी भी COVID के चलते बातें कर ही रही हूँ and all that, but it's all about chemistry. कि how do you see that vibes, and I guess it's just when you click, that is between the two people, what clicks between the two people, and that's very complex, but that's how it is. I there's no one definition for it for me.
So what clicks for you, Neha? What are the important stuff? What are the important things for you?
So as Saloni said, I think there are two things that are into play here. One is your brain, one is your heart. Obviously, when you're meeting a person now. अब तुम्हारे brain के पास एक checklist of questions है जो तुम्हें पूछना है, which Saloni said very clearly.
Right.
तुम्हें what are the reason you're on? This is a very important question by the way कि तुम क्यों हो इस website पे? पापा मम्मा ने प्रोफाइल बना दी है, तुम्हारा मन है, तुम्हें एक्चुअल में शादी करनी है, तुम्हारी उम्र होगी, what are your basic motivations for it? ये or where do you see yourself 5 years down the line, settle कहाँ होना है, बच्चे चाहिए, बच्चे थोड़े बाद में आते हैं, चलो, maybe not the first meeting, but like these are the basic checklist of questions. But I feel like more important than that in the first meeting is flow of the conversation. Very important because first meeting में तुम्हें प्यार तो नहीं होगा, let's be realistic, there's no love at first sight. But the way, अगर मैं एक बंदे से बैठ के 2 घंटे बात कर पा रही हूँ without there being any major awkward silences, I feel like that's a very big thing.
Yeah.
And not बात as in मेरी checklist है, तेरी checklist है. You need to talk about your lives also at the end of the day.
Let's play match the following.
हाँ, उसके आगे बढ़ के चलो ये आधे घंटे में हो गया, उसके बाद अब बताओ तुम हो कैसे इंसान. तो ये सारी चीजें I think in first meeting. And vibe is very important. I think the vibe that you're getting from a person, and which is the most non-explanatory thing I have. I don't know how to explain
I
vibe,
think
but
पहले X Factor होता था, फिर feel हो गया, फिर vibe हो गया.
Chemistry भी
I
आया.
want to say
But
one thing
chemistry
here.
is like vibe only.
Yeah,
I want
chemistry
to
is
say
like
one
closest to vibe.
I want to say one thing here. I also see, like, you know, when Neha said कि 2 घंटे बात करके then you talk about your lives. So for me, another, I won't say a checklist, but it's a deal breaker that how much interest is he taking in my career. Because a lot of times I have, you know, went on dates and they hardly ask me any question कि तुम करते क्या हो. They would rather want to ask कि आप काम करना चाहोगे after शादी, or you know, what are your plans. Like, it should not be. But if he's taking interest in my career, if he wants to understand what I do, and anyways I'm doing a very complex thing, it's a very niche market out there, niche
Very
segment out there, you know. It's very interesting, but yeah, it's a very small people. And when I'm explaining somebody, so yes, I mean, when I'm explaining somebody, people hardly get it. So but if he takes interest in my career and he understands कि हाँ इसको आगे करना क्या है, so I think that I really like that part about men.
I think that's true. Two things, मतलब जो सलोनी ने बोला, career क्या, actually in everything you need to understand बंदे को तुम्हारे में interest कितना, तुम्हारी life में कितना interest है, past, future, present, all. That's important.
I'm a little surprised. I thought like people that you guys would want to go out with, I would expect them like to be like well educated, well earning. So I thought like these guys might be like, these people should be interested in your career. So it's a little like strange listening to that. Because if I put myself in that position, like I would be very interested in what the other person's career.
That's why we are doing the podcast. Like, we are interested.
Sabji, मतलब तुम लोग exception हो, norm नहीं हो. FYI, guys are not.
Hashtag 15%.
And it depends on individual to individual. Yeah. Like degrees don't guarantee that the person is actually like, you know, kind of has that sort of thinking where he's progressive enough or to just understand what is her career like, or where does she see herself. So I mean, I'm Ahmedabad guys, and I have met so many guys from the top-notch institutes, but उनकी thinking is so like low, I would say regressive.
Like शादी के बाद काम करोगी, कर सकती हो. As if what the hell do you mean by कर सकती हो?
मैं तो कमाई
करना पड़ेगा.
कमाना है.
हाँ, ये कैसे सवाल है, कैसी चीज़ है? But
yeah, some people actually say मैं चाहता हूँ कि कमाएं क्योंकि मेरे सर पे ना चढ़े. I mean, like,
okay.
And they say this, and I'm like, okay, let me just hang up. वरना तुम मेरे सर पे चढ़ जाओगे.
Here's an interesting question. What about like, do you have any views on what the guys should wear? Like, do you guys even see that on the first date? Like, is he dressed casually, like, or in a suit, like, to form? Do you guys notice, or like, I'm sure you notice, but do you guys care enough?
Suit, barat में क्या आ रहा है?
Did you say suit, Prabjeet? Please don't.
I'm like
to any of your dates. No. Of course, it matters a lot how the guy is dressed, but more important than that, ये दिखना चाहिए कि लड़के ने कुछ मेहनत करी है. मतलब अपनी शॉर्ट्स में उठ के नहीं आ गए हो तुम, और अपनी टीम में उठ के नहीं आ गए. Obviously, don't be like dressed in a suit, but like because लड़कियों का पता चल जाता है, चलो आज ये सच के आई है, डेट के लिए आई है. लड़कों का it's a little difficult to figure out. तो ऐसे नहीं होना चाहिए कि उठ के आ गया बस. And ये तो तुम, I think I would personally notice in everyone that you should have presentable dressing sense. वो तो दोस्तों में भी I would notice. So obviously that's the first thing you're seeing with everyone. जिंदगी गुजारनी है, थोड़ा साथ में अच्छा तो लगे, कपड़े पहने होने चाहिए.
This is exactly what my mom says. जिंदगी गुजारनी साथ में अच्छी तो लगे.
Something along the same lines.
My mom makes sure that I dress up well when I'm going out, and she doesn't care कि लड़का कैसे दिख रहा है.
Oh, really?
But तुम ठीक से जान रहे हो तो, and sometimes it has so happened that कि नहीं हुआ है जहाँ पे like you know meeting हो गया and नहीं materialize हुआ, so she tells me क्योंकि तूने उस वक्त ऐसे नहीं पहना था ना जैसे मैंने बताया था, तूने वो वाला चीज नहीं पहनी, तूने वो वाली हील्स नहीं पहने थे, तूने वो वाला तूने ऐसी आंटी बन के गई थी, तूने सूट क्यों पहना, तुम ड्रेस क्यों नहीं
I don't think
And I'm
लड़के
like,
इतना
oh
डिटेल
God.
में नोटिस करते हैं. I mean,
But
I do,
मम्मा लोग करते
Oh
but
please,
I do,
दिलबहार
but
लड़के इतना डिटेल में नोटिस करते
नहीं,
होंगे.
प्रभजीत करता है.
करते हैं. मैं
Obviously.
करता हूँ.
okay,
प्रभजीत ही
sure.
करता होगा.
मैं करता हूँ, but I thought they didn't do normally.
No,
For
they
girls, I
do,
think
भाई, they
especially,
do.
I mean, in girls they do. मतलब जिसके साथ शादी करनी है they would. But मेरी मम्मा also says the same thing, but उल्टा. She's like कि तुम सूट पहन के जाओ ना.
What?
And I'm like, मम्मा सूट, मगर कुर्ता तो पहन लो. Not happening.
But my
But I
mom
think it
says
goes
that be
both
what
ways.
you are, like you know, and that ways my mom has been very thank God I have mama because the thing is कि अगर पापा ऐसे ही कुछ भी सीधा साधा इंजीनियर लेके आ रहे तो उनका बस ऐसे कल ही शादी करा दे. But it's my mom who you know like is like that barrier, that gate कि देख लो भैया मेरा कुछ भी गलत decision नहीं होना चाहिए, तो she makes sure that yeah, so she tells me to be yourself. That
The
doesn't mean that
guardian
I wear
angel.
any bloody thing and then go out, but
Right.
yeah.
Of course.
तो जितना टाइम मैंने शादी.com ऐप यूज करी है, आई फाइंड कि पेरेंट्स हैंडल करते हैं लड़कियों का अकाउंट. इज इट ट्रू फॉर यू गाइस एज वेल? आर दे इन्वॉल्वड?
So मेरा जो मैट्रिमोनियल ऐप है वो मेरे फादर हैंडल करते हैं बिकॉज इतना बड़ा डेटाबेस है और ह्यूज डेटाबेस आउट देयर और इतने सारे लड़के वो भी एक अजीब अजीब फोटोज में और
नाउ आई
No
वांट
offense,
टू नो,
guys.
नाउ आई वांट टू नो कि पापा का
So I
फिल्टर क्या है.
given it to पापा. उनका फिल्टर ये बस, उनका कोई फिल्टर नहीं, उनका बस लड़की और लड़का शादी कर ले, दैट्स इट.
बस.
मेरा बोझ
As
हल्का
basic as that.
#basic.
आत्मनिर्भर बन जाए.
Oh,
I think आत्मनिर्भर है.
Like
किसी और पे निर्भर बन.
we settle when
और
we
पे
are
निर्भर
married.
बन जाए.
We settle when we are married. So
Apparently.
and then we
Apparently.
settle when we have kids.
both
And then we
is-
realize we're not settled.
After that, we never settled ever.
Agree. I have a very clear channel of this entire app process. I don't know how if this works, but that's what it is.
Enlighten.
मेरा first filter is my dad because dad ने बोला phone में app डालो. I put the app in my phone, and I realized it depressed me to look at that app and the people on that
Yes.
app. What Saloni just said. ऐसे ये तो मैं अपने phone में नहीं रख सकती. at
Right.
all. पापा आप ही रखो. तो पापा के अकॉर्डिंग पापा बस देखते हैं पोस्ट ग्रेजुएट है, सैलरी है, बस, और दिल्ली का सेटल बिकॉज दैट्स द क्राइटेरिया ही हैज. ये तीन चीजें करके ही गिव्स. देन माय सिस्टर हु नोज मी वेरी वेल, वो देखती है कि बंदा देखने में और पर्सनालिटी में कैसा है. देन शी कम्स टू मी, शी लाइक दीदी ये 10 लोग मैंने शॉर्टलिस्ट करे, अब आप बताओ.
Wow.
बिकॉज इफ लेफ्ट टू माय डैड्स डिवाइसेस, वो सबसे भोंदू लड़के उठा के लाएंगे मेरे लिए. ये देखो बेटा,
पूरी टीम है भाई, पूरी टीम है लड़का सिलेक्ट करने के लिए.
आउटसोर्सिंग भाई, ये लड़की एमएनसी आउटसोर्स कर रखा है.
मैंने अपने डैड को बोला था पापा आपको जो शक्ल में सबसे बुरा लग रहा हो शायद दैट इज द गाय आई वुड लाइक, क्योंकि उनको बियर्ड वाले गाइस पसंद नहीं आते. एंड आई लाइक बियर्ड. उनको क्लीन शेवन, आई लाइक क्लीन शेवन कौन, लाइक हु इज क्लीन शेवन.
आजकल तो बीएड चल रही है.
सबकी
Exactly.
beard.
या
सबसे मैंने उन्हें बोल दिया कि आप शक्ल को फिल्टर नहीं कर रहे हो मेरे लिए.
दिलवा,
So it's like
we were-
basically
हमने ये ट्रेंड स्टार्टिंग से ले रखा है.
So for me,
पहले बचा के अर्ली अडॉप्टर्स.
मेरे पापा का बियर्ड नहीं है, बियर्ड इज ओके. मेरे पापा का रिसीडिंग हेयरलाइन.
oh that's important.
वो
Bala made
low
me
for-
Bala
like a
made me realize that unfortunately this is a thing which a lot of men are facing in India. I didn't even know it's a thing. I was
Yeah.
shocked. But yeah, of course, that's मतलब बूढ़ा नहीं लगना चाहिए थोड़ा, of course.
So many
But
friends who
Yes.
Yeah.
I guess it's a very superficial world when you get into this matrimonial world. And
Yeah,
आप
but
सारी लड़ाइयाँ फेमिनिज्म की लड़ लो घर से बाहर, लेकिन जब घर आते हो तो आपको लगता है कि यार आपके पेरेंट्स पे आ गए हो और आप नहीं, मतलब वही सेम चीज सोसाइटी की
You're so on point.
सुपरफिशियल चीज है,
yeah.
वो यहाँ नहीं आप लड़ सकते हो.
There was a point when my dad came to me and he's like, बेटा तुम थोड़े ज्यादा पढ़ लिए, लड़के नहीं बचे.
Oh.
And I'm like, पापा आपने पढ़ाया था.
Oh man.
You have studied too much, you earn too much, so it's not happening. like, ठीक है.
This is every day.
This has happened with me. This has happened with me also. Where,
Yeah.
a lot of people have, and my father also has said that कि इतना क्या है, इतना भी ज्यादा सोचती हो तुम पढ़ाई लिखाई और ये सब चीजों के बारे में. बट थिंग इज कि फिर आप ही ने तो मुझे इतना इंडिपेंडेंट बनाया है. लाइक आपने शुरू से मुझे इतना इंडिपेंडेंट बनाया.
Exactly.
मुझे लगता है कि मुझे सिर्फ गाड़ी की स्टेपनी नहीं चेंज करनी आती, बट आई कैन लिव इंडिपेंडेंटली अपने आप. एंड दैट इज ऑल बिकॉज माय डैड फैसिलिटेटेड इट. So I will also look for a guy who's a feminist. Like my dad is feminist. He doesn't say it,
Nice.
and he doesn't even know it. Maybe you don't have to label somebody,
Right,
but
right.
he
Yeah,
is
yeah, you
like,
don't have to know the name.
yeah. But then I will also look for such guy, that who can facilitate me, and I can also
Basic है.
facilitate him somewhere. Yeah.
I hear it from a lot of women कि एक लड़का सिंपल सा जो रिस्पेक्ट करता हो, फेमिनिज्म समझता हो, is rare to find. ऐसा क्यों है? इतने लोग भरे पड़े हैं इंडिया में, नहीं? कमी थोड़ी है लौंडों की.
ये सारे लौंडे यूजलेस है. प्रॉब्लम तो यही है. ये 85 वाला नंबर 95 कर दो फेमिनिज्म के नाम पे तो.
No, I
For
think they get
sure.
influenced. They have,
Yeah, I
मतलब what I'm
think
thinking is they have to balance between their home and what their own thought process is sometimes.
I can see
and
कहाँ से आ
plus
रहा है.
Yeah.
yeah. But guys, I have like stopped judging men from that point of view. For me, what matters is कि जो मुझे लड़का मिलेगा या जो भी, मतलब when I go, I see that he's a bit of what do you say, progressive. So मैं ये feminism वाली बात नहीं करूँगी. अगर progressive भी है तो भी चलेगा मुझे, but he has to be
And
like that in nature.
And
So,
feminism
but then
is not something I think you can ask explicitly or you
Yeah.
can answer explicitly.
Yes.
There are 15 people who say they're feminists and they're not. ये तुम्हें बंदे से एक महीने में बात करके थोड़ा आइडिया हो जाएगा. वो कैजुअल सेक्सिज्म के डोजेस कितनी इजीली निकल रहे हैं उसके अंदर से
Yeah.
पता चल जाएगा. But that's something I think you'll have to judge.
And why?
You also have to.
And why blame the guys also? Like even if I'm diverting from the topic, but even females are not feminists. They actually pretend.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
Definitely.
नहीं है.
pseudo
Absolutely
feminists.
not.
The day, and I
नहीं.
have
Yeah,
heard like double things coming out from same mouth. So double standard thing
Yeah.
coming out from the same mouth.
Duality.
It's
Yeah.
a bit So
Yeah.
that's a very
Duality.
another complex subject.
So I'm sure तुमने काफी प्रोफाइल्स देखी होंगी. And what are some of the weird questions जो तुमसे पूछे जाते हैं या तुम देखते हो प्रोफाइल्स में?
So मुझसे weird question जो पूछे जाते हैं कि मैं कितने बजे तक घर आ जाती हूँ वापस ऑफिस से. और that is like शुरू में I used to answer, बड़े प्यार से मैं कर देती थी आंसर, बट अब मैं बोल देती हूँ कि ऑन पेपर तो खैर हर जगह यही है, बट technically I'm definitely working because I'm in a corporate, so you have to keep working as because it's the scene like that.
Right.
And yeah, and another question is कि तुम्हें खाना बनाना तो आता ही है, which is I guess then I have also now started asking the guy तुम्हें भी आता है ना, because equality. And so yeah, that is another cliche question that has been asked by me. And another thing is
I think लॉकडाउन के बाद काफी लड़के लड़कियों का आंसर अब
Yeah.
यस होने लग गया.
मेरा तो आंसर भी बदल गया है लॉकडाउन के बाद.
मेरा
हाँ,
नहीं खैर मैं
नहीं आता now I
but
can
yeah.
make everything.
Nice, nice.
Carry
yeah,
on,
so
Sarun.
there are two questions that I've been asked a lot of times, and I hate it when they ask me कि घर कब तक आ जाओगे and all that. In fact, on the lockdown, what happened that lockdown में there was this one guy I was talking to for matrimonial purposes, and मेरी call
Matrimonial purposes.
and 6-7 बजे मेरी कॉल थी, कॉल थी क्लाइंट के साथ, एक क्लाइंट कॉल थी, and then I just told him कि sorry I had just had a call, and he was like 7 o'clock तुम्हारी कॉल चल रही थी अभी तक, and when he's about to hang up he says मेरी 9:30 बजे कॉल है, इंटरनल टीम कॉल है, and I was like कि ये क्या है, ये इतने डबल
Yeah.
स्टैंडर्ड तो और this is when we are all working from home, तो उससे इतनी प्रॉब्लम है, obviously मन में और दिमाग में क्रॉस हो चुका था वो.
So, matlab in terms of cliches, surprisingly, I have never been asked if I know how to cook. Now I feel like मतलब लड़के इतना डर गए हैं इस सवाल से और इस सवाल के पीछे के कॉन्टेक्स्ट से, they don't ask this at all. तो इनफैक्ट मजाक में आता है कि हाँ खाना तो नहीं आता होगा बनाना. Of course, that's the expectation you should go in with.
Smart.
Yeah, so of course that has not been asked a lot, surprisingly. But there's some things which are cliched, which I've seen on like all profiles, all bios, which is like one thing. So especially these are on profiles which are managed by family. उसमें लिखा था we want our son is very respectful and our son is this, that, of course 50 things about their son, of course. And then we want a modern yet traditional girl who has good family values and knows how to take care of family. I'm like,
ये तो कॉपी पेस्ट है गूगल से.
लिटरल कॉपी पेस्ट. लाइक तुम ये भी चाहते हो कि मैं सुबह से शाम तक काम करके आऊँ, पैसे कमाऊँ, रात को घर का पूरा खाना भी बनाऊँ. आई डू ईच एंड एवरीथिंग. So that's something I see everywhere, which is like a nice way of saying कि हम तुम्हें काम करने देंगे, but घर का काम तो करना ही पड़ेगा.
I feel men should really go back and think what is modern yet traditional for them. क्योंकि ऐसे नहीं, what is modern yet traditional.
Yeah.
The guys should go back and think if they are modern yet traditional.
I mean,
do you think
modern
men need to go back, or do you think the parents, including mother and father, they need to go back and think?
I feel like we are looking at you as a package of your family and you. Same with you.
Yeah.
तो हम तुम्हें individually नहीं देखेंगे.
And Prabhji, on that front, I will say you should go back and tell your parents कि पापा मम्मा आप जब मेरा प्रोफाइल बना रहे हो तो मॉडर्न या ट्रेडिशनल
मत लिखना.
I think
बस मॉडर्न लिखना.
ये जो नेहा ने जो बात की ना कि खाना बनाने से लड़के बहुत डरे हैं, यार मैं ऐसी बहुत सारी चीजें क्लीशेड जो आजकल के जमाने में, एंड आई गो बैक एंड मैं पहले से प्राइम कर रहा हूँ उन्हें. ऐसे सवाल मत पूछना, ये सब नहीं चाहिए मेरे को.
I think it's the parents caught between the times कि traditional तो हम हैं, but आजकल चल रहा modern, तो maybe we should write modern yet traditional. So
yeah, and then वो एग्जांपल आते हैं, वो तो देख एग्जांपल आते हैं, वो देख वो डॉक्टर है, वो भी तो कर रहे हैं. तुम लोगों के बच्चे आज ज्यादा पढ़ गए हो, कॉल बैक ज्यादा पढ़ चुके हो.
मेरे को एक बार डांट पड़ी थी अपनी, नहीं मेरे को एक बार डांट पड़ी थी अपनी मम्मा से, because I was talking to this guy and he was like, you know, I would expect, like my mom expects you to like cook a little bit. And मैंने अपनी मॉम को बोला मम्मा ये तो नहीं हो पाएगा and everything. My mom shouted at me, she's like बेटा ये सारी बातें बोलनी नहीं होती कि तुम कुक नहीं करोगी, तुम बोल दो कि तुम करोगी, it's okay. And I'm like, ये देखो घर पे ही ठीक करना पड़ रहा है सबसे पहले. But yeah, that's still there. That expectation perhaps might not be there from you, but I feel like a lot of guys
it has happened. Like you know, a lot of times my mama has also sometimes said that कभी-कभी मुझसे पूछते थे कि वीकेंड पे क्या करती हो, तो मैं ऐसे बोलती I just lazy around. तो मतलब कभी lazy, तो मम्मा बोलते ऐसे नहीं बोलते कि हेल्प करा रही हो तो मम्मी
हॉबीज होनी चाहिए.
नहीं वो बोलते कि हमेशा ऐसे मत बोलो कि तुम कितने बेसिकली मत दिखाओ तुम इतने यूजलेस हो. थोड़ा सा यूजफुल दिखा
बताओ कि तुम, क्योंकि मॉडर्न या ट्रेडिशनल बनना है.
इसमें एक मेरा थॉट है, एंड आई नो नो वन आस्क्ड फॉर इट, बट स्टिल सो आई थिंक लाइक आवर जनरेशन प्रोग्रेसिव वाले बनने में इतनी आगे निकल गए हैं, एंड दे फील द सेंस ऑफ प्राउड कि हमें तो नहीं आता खाना बनाना, हमसे क्यों पूछा जा रहा है. बट लाइक इफ यू थिंक अबाउट इट, दोनों को आना चाहिए. दैट्स नॉट अ ग्रेट थिंग टू से कि पीपल टेक ऑफेंस कि मेरे से खाना कैसे पूछ लिया.
No,
you should know it's a life skill, like you're saying.
This is a very naive thing to say, because when a girl is asked, it is a very different way. मतलब कोई तुमसे पूछ रहा है तुम्हें आते मुझे आते, क्या हम दोनों सर्वाइव कर लेंगे अगर हमें छोड़ दिया जाए अकेले. That's a different way to say. But if you expect me to make food for 5 people, it's a very different. And
it's coming out from a different mindset. Your mindset is different. You feel it's a life skill, which I also feel it's a life skill. But when I'm asked कि तुम्हें खाना बनाना आता है, it's like कि क्या रोटी बनाने वाली थोड़ा चाहिए तुम्हें यार. In fact, that has actually happened with me when the guy has asked me कि मेरे को ना non-veg नहीं बनाना आता, मतलब मेरी मम्मी को भी नहीं आता, आपको आता है?
Wow. मतलब क्या है? This is the gap which is there right now. Can you fill that gap?
Then what will you say?
कुक रख लो यार.
ऑर्डर कर लो, कुक रख लो.
वेज बनाना आता है.
But I think at that time you guys should also ask तुम्हें आता है?
तो मैं पूछती हूँ.
मतलब politely. हाँ.
मुझसे तो कभी नहीं पूछा.
Yeah.
हाँ मतलब मुझसे भी हर वक्त नहीं पूछते हैं, but majorly
हाँ, but of course.
नेहा की शक्ल
तो
देख के
आज
लगता है कि नहीं आता होगा तो नहीं पूछते.
पहले से ही गिव अप कर चुके हैं, नहीं आता होगा.
So I think this is a perfect note to end today's episode. Thank you, Neha. Thank you, Saloni. तुमने आज इतना ज्ञान दिया. I'm sure जो हमारे कुंवारे लौंडे ये एपिसोड देख रहे हैं, हमारे श्रोता,
Yeah.
I think they'll take a lot out of this. बहुत ज्ञान मिला हुआ उन्हें to implement in their lives, and they'll be thankful to you and thankful to us as well. So everyone who's watching, if you like this video, if you like, subscribe, share, and also let us know in comments what else we should discuss in our future episodes. Thank you so much.